Welcome friends. In my last video I have shown you how to make cotton thread beads, but in this video I'm going to show you how to make twisted dory, cotton thread dory, which you can make at home and you can put pendant inside that. For that we need a scissor, a clothespins and cotton thread. If you have one color you can use one color, otherwise you can even mix and match with two colors, and a cardboard. I am taking with the length of 30 centimeter because I have to do double, so I'll do rolls and make it 60 centimeter. You can even use inchi tape if you have at home, measuring tape if you have at home you can use that one. So let's get started. You can see here I have just starting from this portion, and I don't have measuring tape, so I'm using this board with the length of 30 centimeter. So I'm going to double this because that will give me 60 centimeter length. So I'm taking here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rounds. Now I'm going to cut it. You can see here I have a long length of thread is ready, because we need to make a dory, so we need at least 2 bunches for that. So one is here, another is I'm going to make now. Here is my another pair is ready. So now what we have to do, I'm just putting my one dory here and I'm just clipping up with my cloth pin, and another also I'm taking here and I'm just going to clip it up with the cloth pin. So this is how we have to do. Now what we have to do, we have to twist one side first, and then we have to twist other side. So keep twisting tightly. Here you can see I have twisted my one side very tightly. I mean tight means very nicely we have twisted. Now what we can do, I can put my this dory with that cloth pin, because now we can separate it because we have already twisted, and this twisted portion I can do here with same cloth pin this side. You can even use another cloth pin. And now another side, first make it tangle free your cotton dory, threads. Now you have to twist like that. This one also keep twisting nicely. Now you can see I have twisted my second dory also here. Now we need to just leave this both dories, this one, and just leave them together, but don't leave that part. And here you can see a nice a nice twisted dory is ready. And if the rest portion is a bit loose, you can just fold it with your fingers together. But this is how our twisted dory is ready. And in next procedure, if you want them to be that beads, cotton beads inside, and you want to make the adjustable dory, you can make it. Otherwise you can just tie it how you want. I'm just removing from here because our part what we wanted to do is already done. And this is how we can make our Twisted Dori. You can see here, this is nice Twisted Dori is ready, and nice twist you can see here, very clean, is ready. Now we can, if you want to make tie, we can use thread and you can tie it. And before tying, if you wanted to put that beads inside for making adjustable, you can put it, otherwise you can leave it like that, and you can tie from here and here, and you can put your pendant, and your Twisted Dori is ready. I hope you like my video, because in next video I'll show you how to make another kind of Dori, which is next part of Dori making. If you really like my video, you can press thumbs up button, and you can press subscribe button, and after that, if you want notification for new upload, you can press bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and keep watching my videos. Bye bye.